Checking in.
May check po sir.
Okay. So may 2,000 incidental deposit. There's the key, the Wi-Fi, and ano oras yung breakfast buffet niyo bukas?
7 to 10 a.m.
7 o'clock?
Opo.
Dire-diretso na. Let's start the room tour. So, hinabol ng receptionist, binigay nila sa amin tong breakfast voucher. I don't know kung gagamit to isang voucher lang for the entire stay or we have to surrender this and they'll give us a new one on a daily basis. So, let's find out tomorrow. Hindi yata gumagana yung TV cable nila. So, itawag muna natin ulit. Actually, tumawag na ako kanina. So, follow up ulit natin ang ating requests. Mag-requestin tayo ng electric fan mga kapap kasi sa website kasi ng Agoda, pwede ka mag-request ng electric fan. Good morning. Follow up ko lang, electric fan. Tapos yung TV na papaayos. Wala pa po. Wala pa po. Tumawag na po ako kanina. Ano po nangyari? Papunta. Sige po. Okay. Well, so far sa view, okay naman siya. Fresh air. Pwede tayo maglakad-lakad doon later. And yun lang yung view, mga roof, mga bubong. Pero iba yung simoy ng hangin dito kasi hindi naman to city center. Medyo 30 minutes away from the city of Baguio. So ito talaga yung purpose ko, to stay here somewhere far from the city center. So ito para maraming developments lang na mga construction going on. Para subdivision to. Pinasukan namin. It's a subdivision, so parang mga bahay-bahay. Ayan na yung mag-aayos ng TV para magkaroon tayo ng cable. Ayan. Ay, malikat ka na kami. Thank you. Ayan na lang. Babait naman yung mga staff nila, very accommodating kung may request ka. Yun nga lang. Kung ang staff na naka-receive ng request mo hindi masyado attentive, so may times na medyo na overlook, you just have to follow it up again with another call. Ayan, sige po. Ayan, TV lang po. Ayan. Okay. Tapos smart TV na. Ayun naman pala mga ka-fab. Tayo hindi marunong, pero ito pala ang pindutin. Home. Ayan. Smart. Thank you. Welcome to my vlog. Smart TV naman pala. So, ito na mga ka-fab. You can select there's YouTube, there's Netflix, and other apps. Kaya perfect. Na-actionan agad nila. Kudos to Iliana Pines Hotel. Hindi pa rin gumagana guys yung YouTube. Pumunta na dito si ate. So they decided na papalitan na lang daw yung TV Ano ba to? Deja vu ba to? Venice, Hotel Venice, Baguio. Pangalawa na to Ito yung view namin sa gabi. Ayan, so may sarili kaming parang terrace. Madilim na siya. Sana maraming pine trees ako nakikita. Wala masyado. Hello, bakit pala Iliana? Sino ba si Iliania?
Nag-rebrand po kasi yung name.
Ano dati pangalan nito?
Fresca po, naging Iliana.
Sabi ko na La Fresca to Bakit pinalitan?
Nag-rebrand lang po siya ng name. Tapos sa partnership lang po. Sir,
Ah.
sa po.
Kasi si Iliania, tao yun.
Parang pinagsama po at ang name na
May-ari.
anak po ng owners.
Anak ng may-ari. Okay, that's why. Parang ang hirap nyung i-pronounce. Iliania. Mas okay kung sa La Fresca. Anyway, beautiful name there din naman. Ang Cafe Sofia. Since wala na makainan sa labas. At since malayo to sa Kabihasnan, dito na magdi-dinner. Go tomorrow, dito rin tayo magbe-breakfast. Buffet. But for now, tamad na kami lumabas. Dito na lang tayo magdi-dinner. Ang cute. Ayan, may pailaw, parang Eiffel Tower. At meron din parang, look at that, gazebo. Plan nga ng kasama ko, dyan siya daw mag-work mamaya Ayan. And other units, rooms. This area. Ayan. That's Eliania. Dating La Fresca.
The following day,
Guys, magsi 7 o'clock na umaga. Pero, tignan nyo ba, naririnig nyo ba yung naririnig ko? Parang may electric pump ng tubig. And it's just about 7 a.m. Paano kung gusto mo matulog pa? Challenge lang. So, anyway, nireklamo ko naman sa reception that they should do something about it. Especially kung family kayo or mag-stay kayo dito, you want to, enjoy and sleep as early as at least 7 a.m. in the morning. Dito na ibubukan sa inyo. Hindi yung huni ng ibon dito sa Baguio. Ayan yung ingay. Yan. Guys, do you hear what I hear? Do you see what I see? How unfortunate we are na ang room namin is sa Igiban Station of Water. Anyway, nireklamo ko naman and they'll transfer us to a much quieter and relaxing room.
one eternity later.
Trying to book Grab. Sana. Ang hirap pala mag-book ng Grab dito. Pero good thing is you can request sa receptionist nila for them to call you a cab or a taxi. Yun na lang siguro talaga yung planning mo. Pero just make sure if you have appointments for the day is to prepare in advance and allot at least an hour. So, forget about Grab, okay? I'm telling you now. What you can do is just request a receptionist for them to call you a taxi. Here at Liliana Pines Hotel. Oh. Salamat sa pagkuha ng taxi. Ay, kaya pala may dumating. Yan. So, hindi pa pala yun. Okay. Suplado naman ng driver. Kakain siya. So, guys, kung mag-book kayo dito, a lot of time. May mga lakad kayo, try to allot a lot of time. Nakasakay na rin, finally.
Much later.
Good news, guys. Ganito talaga accommodating talaga yung Iliania. They decided to help us change our room to a place where there's much quieter. Kaya dito na kami. Room 103 na. Best in lipatan na. Okay na yon. At least nalipat kami. Medyo mas malaki-laki to, I would say. And same din naman yung drama, yung ambience. So, perfect lang. So, ayun guys, just to show you na kahit hindi man perfect, pero yung staff talaga is very accommodating, kaya perfect. Perfect talaga yung customer service dito sa Iliana Pines Hotel.
The following day,
Good morning mga ka-fab. Good morning Baguio. Guess what? So I have to wake up early so that I can tour you around kung ano mga pwedeng puntahan, interesting places that you can see if you are staying in this hotel. Pero sinasabi kong, you just can walk and see places just by your feet. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Tara. So again, that's where we eat our breakfast, and that's the lobby of the hotel. Very cute mini lobby. And then tayo maglalakad papunta doon. Medyo malamig guys ha, so please wear your jacket. Ano yan ha? Ano ginagawa nyo? So what I noticed here is mga villa of houses, mga construction. Ayun, ang cute niyan guys, yung condo, the condominium na puro puti. That looks interesting. What I noticed also is yung malalaki yung road yung daan. So garden villa. Some of them are occupied and some are, you can see that someone's staying in. Yun again yung condominium na sobrang taas. So guys, parang 7-story siya. And I can see na hindi pa occupied, kakatapos lang talaga. So yun yung nilakad natin ha. So paakyat pa tayo doon sa taas. So pwede ka mag-jogging, mag-walking. Ang ganda ng color ng bulaklak ng bougainvillea. Ng mukadkad. Ito naman halata talaga na parang wala pang tao. Hindi lahat occupied. So another garden villa. Akyat lang na akyat. And yan, nakikita nyo ba yan guys? Parang building siya na sira-sira na, dilapidated, and parang I can see it's abandoned already. Tingnan natin kung ano yan. Hinihingal ako pag magsalita kasi medyo paakyat to, at since hindi naman tayo sanay sa mga akyatin. I used to have that stamina before, but I guess that comes with age. You really struggle, but what's important is you keep on trying and just keep on exercising for you to be stronger physically and of course mentally. And that's the sunrise. Yan ang nilakad natin. Beautiful. Well, the best is yet to come. Hindi pa yan. So, ayan na ulit guys. So, yung building na parang sira-sira. Parang hotel. Kasi hotel pala talaga siya. Ayan siya guys. It's called Green Valley Hotel and Resort. Unfortunately, because of COVID and bankruptcy and mismanagement, the hotel ceased to continue already and is abandoned. It's no longer operational since, I don't know, 21, 22. Yun ang kwento sa atin ng manager ng Iliana Pines Resort. Very true, it's very sad. And once you keep on walking and walking, finally you'll reach this spot and you will see this grandeur. So may nakalagay na dun sa hotel, no trespassing, this is private property. So ito siguro yung used to be yung clubhouse or yung lobby ng hotel. Ayan. Sira na siya, wala nang nakatira. And it's completely abandoned. Sayang, because it has such a beautiful view. Look at that. Green Valley. Indeed, with this magnificent view. If you keep on walking, yun lang, you'll see that view. May mga pine trees pa naman to. Pero, this happens to me. Okay? This is just put to waste already. By the way, trivia. Corporation pala. Maraming mga ari. May ari dito sa ganit sa hotel. And someone's trying to buy this property, but ang hirap pa naman because mga sila. So it's hard for the buyer to coordinate sa owner, sa incorporators, mga member ng corporation. O sinabi na sa akin yun, kakwentuhan kong manager. So it didn't that based on fact. But nevertheless, you can just wonder kung gaano to kaganda before. It's lively, and the scene is alive. And sino ba mapapagod dito sa ganitong view na to? So sunrise yung view dito, siguro maybe on the other side. That's where the sun sets. And of course, that's where the sun rises. So kung gusto mo yung mga emo moments, may total privacy ka, super relax ka, just you by yourself and your partner or your family or you're with your lover or partner or whoever that is. If you want total privacy, I would say, this is yung one of the highlights of our stay in Eliania. Hindi man siya perfect, but somehow, we got to see this place. Malamig guys ha, yung hangin, malakas. Iba yung temperature dito. It's kind of coldness. Hindi ko to na-experience. The times when I'm staying in Baguio City, in the city center. So ito yung mga perks of staying kahit mahirap to stay outside the city center, but this is what you get. And that view again, oh my goodness. And sa katabi ng abandoned hotel na to is what you see, mga kabahayan pa dito, pero naka-fence siya eh. Yan. And one more trivia guys. Well, if you'd ask me, medyo mabigat siya. It has a different feel. And according sa friend ko na who lives here in Baguio, this is what the rumor is going around. Talagang meron daw talagang mga nakatirang mga guests, kakaibang guest staying in this Green Valley Resort Hotel. Kung ano man yung naka-check-in dyan, I'm sure they're enjoying, having a great time. And they're checked in there forever, hopefully not. Daanan lang natin guys one more time. And this is it. Daanan tayo dito sa parking area. Yan. You can get the feel, you can get the vibe. Sayang, mga decors nila, So, no dumping of garbage here, no trespassing. So, may mga basura pa rin dito. Sana ma-revive tong place na to. And that is the view. Make sure lang guys na sunrise kayo dito pupunta maaga para at least di ganun kainit. Pero make it anong oras naman of the day kasi malamig naman talaga dito. Itong spot na to. There you go. Ayan, so babalik na ulit tayo sa hotel. Guys, kapag diretsuhin mo yan, papaba doon na yung palabas ng villa, ng compound ng subdivision. May guardhouse doon. Ando na yung sakay ng jeep. Okay, so ito, I think mga 1 kilometer yata yun, kaya naman siya lakarin. Ayan. So ito na yung way to, of course, yung Iliania Pines Hotel. So ito na yung tangke ng tubig, mag-iigib na sila. So medyo maingay yan. So make sure request ka na lang na yung room mo hindi malapit sa area na to. Kasi madinig na dinig mo talaga. Sarap. Sarap. I'm just getting my vitamin D and a dose of positivity. And that's the blessing of witnessing sunrise. Balik na tayo dito sa hotel. Morning breakfast voucher. Ayan po. Ayan, so nakuha na natin yung breakfast voucher natin. Kailangan mo kunin talaga everyday eh. Hindi pa hazard. Sana binibigay na. Mamaya itutur ko kayo dyan. Pero for now, it's breakfast time. 7 o'clock guys, nag-open yung breakfast nila ha. And bigay mo dito yung breakfast voucher sa receptionist. Good morning din po. At yung mga paninda. Let's eat guys. Kain tayo mga ka-fab. Congratulate nyo ako kasi nakayanan kong maligo na malamig ang tubig dahil sira ang heater nila. So wala na akong time para ireklamo. Later na lang. Sana maayos. And also kung magpa-plancha ka, isa lang kasi yung plancha nila dito. Make sure to allot enough notice. Okay? Kasi nangyari sa akin yon. Ayan, sana maayos nila yung heater. Sana maayos nila. Talaga ang buhay guys, nothing's perfect. Ni mga ka-fab. So that is the lobby of the hotel. Diyan yung entrance ng hotel. At diyan ka iti-drop off. And that's the cafeteria or Cafe Sofia restaurant ng hotel. And yan yung mga mini garden of the hotel na pwede ka mag-ikot-ikot. Kaya, let's go! Let's explore! So, ito siguro yung event place nila. And may dalawang gazebo, garden. Yan, let's go. Yung mga decors ang yung garden nila. May mga ibang units pa dito ng hotel. Yan, may pa-arch dito. Pasok tayo. And may pa-heart. Guys, hindi totoo tong mga it's not real flowers. So hanggang dito lang yung hotel. And yun, nakikita nyo na yan, mga subdivision na yan. Yan. So, that's the view that you can get. There, ikutin natin. Yan, ayan. So, naka-landscape talaga. Ang ganda. Ikot. Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito, oh. Okay. Paliko na tayo. Maliit lang naman tong lakaran. Wala nga tong mga less than 50 meters nga lang siguro to. And yun, so makikita mo na yung hotel. So meron siya sa hanggang second floor. So it's a 2-story hotel. Ayun na yung pinakita ko kayo sa kanina. Yung event place. At ang ganda ng sunrise. Picturean natin yan. Ayan, let's walk. Ang ganda ng mga ornamental plants. So as always say, ayan ang sabi, please keep off the grass. And that's the quickest, the shortest tour of the hotel, of its garden of the hotel. Goodbye room. Checking out. Yan. Yan, kinuha ko yung deposit ko. Okay, 500. Okay, thank you.